you guys, we are so excited to be bringing the Bismarck people a new class in February called Traditional Cooking Essentials. It's actually a class that we did last year right after we got engaged, and it was a lot of fun. The people that attended really enjoyed it, and I know they're still using the skills they learned in that class to this day. So what we teach on in that class is kombucha, bone broth, yogurt, and mozzarella cheese.
So this year we're going to be having it again at the Bismarck Co-op. We'll be giving everyone a starter kit with some of the hard to find ingredients that make it easy for you to get started in your kitchen at home. There will be some assignments and things to do between each class, so you can come back with questions and get them answered.
Yeah, so we know you are learning the skills and putting them to use in your kitchen. So the class starts on February 15th, and then it's the 2 following Saturdays after that from 1 to 2:30 at the community room in the food co-op in Bismarck.
So to get signed up, just follow the link to Traditional Cooking Essentials on Eventbrite and choose your ticket. Tickets are available for the entire series or individual classes. If you just want to learn how to make cheese or kombucha, you feel free to choose what works best for you.
Yeah, we hope to see you there, guys.
All right.